The twins both made a list of what we need from Target. Me and Reagan and Nora are going one way. Sarah and Ezra are going the other way. May the best team win. Reagan. And this is a super Target. Nora wants to go with them. We're trying to get her to come with us. She's not having it. So it might be just me and Reagan. All right, we ended up getting our team. I don't know if we're winning or not, but whoa. As you can see, we're doing great.
Daddy, the diapers are sitting on the envelope.
That's okay. Okay, now we're doing good. Now everyone's happy. Oh, bacon, here we go. And we got a bubble. We got everything on our list, and we are zooming up to the front to claim our prize. Where are you? Oh, there they are. Oh, we're ahead. Oh, look, they look lost.
We're right here.
How's second place?
Bubble now?
Look at them. They wish they were us. So we're trying to pick up the slack from their team. They couldn't get everything in time. We're helping out, but we lost a team member. Nora switched teams. Oh wait, she's looking for me again. She's looking for this team. We're over here, Nora. Are you joining our team again? Whoa, slam dunk.
Did you find it?
No. I think they're all out.
I'm gonna find you. Oh, here.
Yeah, we were hiding on you.
I'm right here. You got...
Now that's funny. Martha Stewart is on 19 Crimes.
Dunk. I did dunk.
You dunked it? Nice.
Dunk.
Ooh, yep, ruined that.
Feel it. Go, cheese.
Oh, it feels delicious.
Alright, you ready?
Should we get a couple Easter lilies?
So gross.
Oh, back into fresh air.
Mommy, look it.
Well, another successful trip to Target. Ezra decided he wants to pick up some garbage here before we leave. He comes prepared. He brought his own bags, his gloves. He's ready. Yeah, I'll watch traffic for you. Ezra loves picking up garbage. All right, guys, that's it for us. We'll see you next time.